Here's Anthony Bourdain eating a double-double from In-N-Out. Pretty cool. A lot of you guys have been asking me to make fast food at home, like how to make, say, for example, a double-double, which is what I'm gonna be going over today. We're gonna make a double-double animal style with the extra toast, of course. That's how I order mine. You can do this. Okay, so first thing we gotta start with is the caramelized onion. Okay, pretty much the main thing of an animal style burger is the caramelized onions. Minced onion into a really hot pan, canola oil. So you wanna have a good amount of oil in here, season it well with salt, give it a couple tosses. Okay guys, let's talk about these caramelized onions real quick. Very straightforward. This is how I do my caramelized onions, okay? Once they've cooked for a while and they've gotten some color, I deglaze with water. Now I go through this process in my chicken stock video, so check that out. I'm not gonna go too far in depth, okay? So deglaze it with water about 3-4 times until you get this really nice color here. You could do chicken stock as well if you want a really, really nice flavor, which is what I did. So these are some really awesome chicken fat caramelized onions. Now, the not so secret sauce. By the way, people, we're just doing this at home. This is really simple. I'm not making the mayo from scratch or nothing. I wanna make this super straightforward. So we're just gonna start off with the mayo, then the ketchup, and throw in the chopped up pickle, salt, pepper to taste, and of course some rice wine vinegar in there. Mix that up until smooth, and there you go. We've got a beautiful secret, not so secret sauce. Now for our patties here, I've got ground beef. Now go ahead and roll them all into equal size 4-ounce balls. Of course, wash your hands. Canola oil down, good amount of salt all over that. And of course, black pepper. And I mean a good amount of black pepper here. To form it, all we're gonna do is we're gonna roll it up in a little ball in our hands and then just go ahead and smush that down. And then we're forming the patty here. We're just working our way around and around and around until you have the shape that you want. Now you could go ahead and just throw this on the flat top, or you could throw this on the pan and smash it down if you want, make a nice smash patty. This is just the way I do it. This is the way I'm used to doing it. I've made like tens of thousands of burgers at work, so. All right, go ahead and drop it onto your hot pan. Now this isn't like my other burger video, right? We're doing fast food, so we're gonna use these buns right here. These are just some white bread burger buns. These are Fran's if you're in Washington. Shout out Fran's. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just oil up the bun, throw it on there, get it nice and toasty. Give these a flip. I don't care what you say, American cheese is the best when it comes to fast food burgers. So American cheese down once you've given that a flip. All right, y'all, there it is, the In-N-Out double-double. This is the way I make it. It looks amazing. So go ahead and comment down below what other fast foods you want me to make, and I'll go ahead and tackle them. This is not meant to be like super gourmet. I didn't make the buns or anything. If you want that video, that's on my channel. Check it out, how to make the burger buns from scratch and a really nice gourmet burger. This is just a really nice fast food burger at home. You can do this. Thanks so much for watching. Like the video, subscribe if you're new here. I'll see you in the next one.